So I've been in pest management for about 20 years. We do termite and pest control, gophers, rodents, birds, bees, ants, spiders, earwigs, crickets, mice, pretty much you name it, we can control it. I do like bugs. There's certain bugs I don't like, of course. I don't like spiders. I've never been friends with spiders. So one of the things that I really pride our company on is getting the cobwebs down on the homes. There's a system here. There's a lot to coming out and doing residential pest control. Bugs are like our little recyclers of the earth. And that's what they do for us, and they're really needed. And I like that, so I'm not just about destroying or eliminating insects. It's really about protecting a structure, right? And then protecting what I'll call your economy in your home, your food, your comfort, your cars, the wiring in your cars. Rodents can get into those as well. So we're all about protecting that. Outside of the home though, what I like to think about is let's let the pests do what they need to do. And that also helps us, and we can actually be in a beneficial relationship with them as long as they stay out of the areas we don't want them in, right?